Hey guys, Kirby Vacuum Collector and Fixer here, and I'm going to show the Hoover Sprint here. Like I said, it's the same type of vacuum, the same model I grew up with the exception of this being the higher end model with the attachments and stuff and such. But it sounds the same, it performs the same. So here we go. This is the setting I have it in. So here we go. Does sound a tad dry, but it's exactly what the one I had, what we had before sounded like. It sounds exactly the same. Like it's the same machine. There's the amps. Well, okay, I made a mistake actually. And Pneumatic Vacuum corrected me on this. Uses only 7 amps, yet the effectiveness is 14.5, so I made a mistake there, so sorry. It is it's the same amperage as a G series Kirby, so that's actually pretty. That saves electricity, because I mean newer vacuums are like 12 amps, and it's just a little too much there. But anyway, I'm gonna do the hose, and it's for me. It's just a really strange feeling that I can use a hose on this vacuum because I grew up with this vacuum and I was so used to not having a hose on it because ours did not have the hose and a carpet adjuster, like I said. It just feels so strange seeing the hose on it and using it with the hose. So here's the hose. Where is it? So yeah, oh yeah, and I forgot to mention, and I didn't even know until much later, the original owners to this machine, or the previous owners, and I didn't know it, they did not attach the paper bag, but down at the very bottom of the cloth bag, there was a brand new paper bag, Hoover Type A paper bag, still folded like it was brand new, down at the bottom of the cloth bag, sitting there. So I installed it, and so it has a new bag. And I'll show you. You have to slide the top off. Oh, this is difficult. What you do is you pull this thing out, and then you have to slide it off. So let me just do that. Okay, so now the thing's pulled off, and then you just slide it like this. So then now the top's off, and here's the new bag. You see it's installed and everything. So yeah, that was nice. And I'm going to put it back on. So then to put it back on, you just close this and then slide it back. And then you just reattach the hook. If that'll reattach. There. And now I am I like to be careful with that top part because we've had bad experience with our previous Hoover Sprint. I was little and I didn't know that better, didn't know any better, and I would mess with our old Hoover Sprint a lot, and sometimes I would hang down on the bag like this, and one day I did that and I snapped the entire thing, so then this was like broken, so I try to be careful with that. But yeah, that's the Hoover Sprint. So thanks for watching. I hope you like this video.